This is for all the people that may have wondered what the real Kokugikan would look like in snow, and it looks like this. It is the 5th of February, 2024, and it's finally wintering here a little bit. We got snow, wet snow, coming down in Ryogoku, Tokyo, of course. The tournament is finished. The Hatsubasho, the January tournament, has been over for a few days. Tochinoshin had his top knot cut off yesterday, his Denpatsushiki, and yeah, I'll be heading home soon. This vacation is coming to an end, sadly. It's been a great one though, in all respects, including the weather. It has been just amazingly warm. 15, 16 degrees some days, literally out in a t-shirt, walking around, enjoying things, sitting outside, just enjoying the outdoors, not having to worry about being cold. But it is February, and we are in Japan, and this is a little more typical of what we might expect for this time of year. So anyway, we are walking past the home of sumo, the Kokugikan, the national stadium. I guess this isn't the best angle to show you this venue, but on the other side of this fencing here is where the Rikishi make their entrance when they're walking in before their bouts each day. They walk in along this driveway. The Tokyo Edo Museum is ahead of us. It is currently closed for renovations. As you can see, the facade is covered in scaffolding, massive amount of construction going on in there, and it's not scheduled to reopen until sometime in 2025. I'm not sure when exactly. Anyway, just wanted to show everybody the snow and the Kokugikan. Again, you can never get enough of this place. Any excuse to film the Kokugikan, to be near the Kokugikan, to just be in the shadow of all this sumo greatness. That's it for now. Jobless.